Yeah, man. Got this right here. And this juice sour, man. And I put some sea moss in here too. Oh, good for you, buddy. Yeah. This one say this hot twins, and it say woman makes orgasmic sounds for first time in space. I want to see what this about. This sound crazy, yo. But she an astronaut went into space and start moaning and groaning. She was up there. That's wild. I see what they talking about. What this
Blue
about?
Origin. That's that company was founded by Jeff Bezos, right? They fly people pay them money and they fly them up in space.
Okay.
People can say they're going.
I think I heard that it's a company that was sending smuggler people into space if they got the bread, the money to pay for that type of experience. They'll send you up there. They'll fly you out there.
Bring up the article. So Blue Origin forced to yank video of astronauts' reaction to space over hateful, sexist comments. I don't believe it. First of all, she's not an astronaut. I believe. Well, she's not an astronaut. Well, I guess if you go up in space, you are now an astronaut. But she's just a typical common person that want to go up in space. That's what Blue Origin provides to its customers. She gotta be rich too, man. Yeah. Well, gotta have a sugar daddy. Let me read this. Does that sound misogynistic? Yeah. Okay, so they over here cracking jokes. You didn't even catch it on. Blue Origin was forced to yank down the clip of astronaut Emily candid reaction to being in space after the post was attacked by misogynistic internet trolls. A TV science program host and aerospace engineer who became the 100th woman in space Friday aboard one of the company's ships said she was brought to tears by the critics of the short video, which showed her floating upside down in zero gravity as she stared out at Earth from the window. Hey, do we have video of the tears? I want to see it. Yeah, because I don't trust her. No, women. Well, she didn't. She's not making the accusation.
How long do it take to go into space? Were you going on space? How long is the trip? 4 days, 3 hours, 2 months. I want to know how long. You feel me? How long do it take to get up there?
Break the barrier. They said they had to take down the video because guys was being misogynistic. Yeah, but it said it brought her to tears. I don't believe people, especially women, because women lie more than anybody. Yeah. So listen, I'm gonna show you the actual video. Women lie 10 times as more.
I want to see this.
So this is the video of the woman in space, and they had to put it down because of men making comments. I don't believe it.
That's our planet. Oh my God, that's space.
Try that again. Look at that Earth. Look at that Earth.
We're in space right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Why are you acting like that?
See, man? I thought she was making...
God. Oh, God. Oh. That is...
Right.
That is right there.
See, I thought she... But yeah, I thought she was like legit, like some type of freak that went up there and just started moaning and groaning on purpose, like how they were just demonstrating. But it's just the way she was talking. You know, I guess that's how her voice is. Or maybe, I don't know, somebody being up there, I don't know, maybe her voice shaky and whatever you want to call it. Man, I thought it was a real life freak that went to go in space and legit moan and groan while she in outer space.
I mean, I wish I saw that post. I'd left a comment too. I mean, well, she's a woman. If I didn't have video, I would think this was an adult.
But you know how the male speech can be. Of course, they gonna make jokes about that shit. You know it's bound to happen. You know it was gonna happen from the male species.
It wasn't that bad. It was horrible. It was. She overreacted. She was overwhelmed.
Right.
I mean, you wasn't in her shoes. What you think you're gonna be like when you're up in space, you floated, and you see Earth? Well, first of all, I'm not going to be upside down. My legs are right. I'm not going to be breathing like I'm about to have These rich people, man. Act like you've been there before. Hey, Kevin, her legs wasn't gaped open. Man,
right. That's what I'm saying. They wasn't gaped wide open. They wasn't all the way like that. Come on, dog. They wasn't like that. You exaggerations. It wasn't like that, dog. It wasn't that sexual. Come on, dog.
Hey, let me look at your
Go back.
Maybe I missed that. What? You missed
Go back. Let's see.
That's our planet. Oh my God, that's space.
Oh my God.
See, it wasn't that wide.
Look at that Earth. Look at that Earth. Look at that Earth.
We're in space right now.
just regular.
My goodness. Oh my goodness.
Ain't nothing sexual about that, just the way she sounds when she's talking. Are you tripping, dog? It wasn't sexual at all. It's
Well,
just
if there were
the way she
misogynist
sounds.
comments,
It's just the way she sounds. You know, some people gonna make jokes and take it there, but
well warranted. They were justified. Oh man, women. And if you did leave a misogynist comment, it's nothing wrong with you. You're being human. You're being a
Right.
man. That's all. She's being a woman. You can be a man. That was well said. Yeah, I got my moments. See, there's a bunch of rich people paying founded by Jeff Bezos, and he's getting it's called Blue Origin or something like that. I may be wrong, but yeah, that's the 100th woman that's been up in space. Wow. I wonder how much it cost.
yeah, that's a good question.
I want to feel what she was feeling. Yeah, you want to feel that, huh? I want to feel that. There's a ghost. Yeah, you know what? If I go up there with a woman and she's acting like I was like, come here. Come here. You need to calm down. You need to calm down. You're turning all us on. And you know what? Up in space, there's no laws. In a totally different jurisdiction. Yeah, there's no laws up there. Laws is only written for man here on Earth. Has nothing to do with what's going on out of space. Yeah, that's a very manly thing of you to say. Take your head out of the gutter, Captain. What are you talking about? What's she saying? That's true freedom up there.
I guess.
Not that I would force a woman to do anything. I'm just making a misogynistic joke.
Okay.
Show's over. Let's watch it again.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Yeah, it wasn't what I was thinking. I was hoping it was real, like some type of freak that was going up there. Oh yeah, ooh. That's what I was hoping. You know, some shit like some shit like that is what I was thinking that it was gonna be. But man, whatever. It was cool. You know, I want to know how much that shit costs to go up there. How much they charge for regular peoples to go up in outer space for an experience. Yeah, man. If y'all know, let me know in the comments. If y'all know how much it costs. Yeah, I'd like to know. Yeah, I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.